Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this card making tutorial. This is the birthday card that we'll be making today. Isn't it beautiful? It's very simple. There's a little bunch of lavender and a little die cut sentiment. So the stamp set we're going to be using is this one called Painted Lavender, and you get lots of different ways to make up your image. I'm just going to use these two images here for a very simple card. So let's get started. I've got a scrap piece here of basic white cardstock. The inks I'm going to use are Gorgeous Grape and Garden Green. So let's get out our pieces here. We're going to have this piece here and we're going to put it on a block to stamp. There we go. And I'm going to stamp this in some Gorgeous Grape ink. So I really love this deep purple. So I'll just tap, tap, tap down. There we go. Lovely. And it does lighten up a bit as it dries. So I'm just going to clean up as I go along. As you know, I'm a great believer in cleaning up as I go along. So there we go. Use the simple chamois. And now we're just going to stamp the stems. So they're here. And we're going to do those in Garden Green. So let's do those just here. Oh, didn't do that very well. Try again here. Much better. Okay, give that a bit of a clean. Close this up here. I'll put this away for now, and I'll show you. I'm going to cut these two images out using the matching dies, which are these here. So I'm going to do that, and I'm also going to take a piece of basic white cardstock. I'm going to emboss it with the Forever Plaid 3D embossing folder. So I'm going to get on and do that, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, so I've cut those pieces out, and we've got our embossed piece. So let's put our card together. Our card base is Garden Green. So standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. So then I'm going to put here on the inside my insert, and this measures 14.35 centimeters by 10, same as the outside piece. And this is just basic white cardstock. I tend to leave my insides blank so people can personalize their own message. I think it's really nice when you can write your own message as opposed to just words someone else has written. But that's just how I feel. Okay, so let's put that down there. And then we're ready to arrange our pieces here. So we're going to pop these up on some dimensionals. So let me get those out. I'm going to use a mixture of mini dimensionals and normal sized ones. And if you know me, you know I'm fairly generous with my adhesive and my dimensionals. I don't want this getting squashed in the post. And then this is going to go on the top somewhere like this, and it'll come down. So let's get rid of one dimensional backing and see roughly where we want it to be. That looks okay. So then we're going to want dimensionals down the rest here. And then some baby ones here. Okay, I think that will do. So let's get all these backings off. That's the only problem with putting a lot of dimensionals on the back. You've got to take all the backings off, and it's one of those jobs I find so annoying. I'm just too impatient. Don't know about you. It's like some people enjoy fussy cutting. They find it therapeutic. I just get impatient. And that's when I tend to make a mistake, because I don't have the patience to go slowly and surely, which is what you need to do, really. Ugh, that's sticking to me, just to pay me back for saying that. Okay, so let's stick this down now. Where should we have it? Something like that. Does that look okay to you? Looks okay to me. I'm going to use the sentiment from my ephemera pack. So I'm on a kick to try and use as much of these up as possible, but I just seem to have tons of die cuts and whatever else. So I could have here the yellow, it's your birthday. Don't really want to say better days ahead. Let's see how this looks. Yeah, that actually doesn't look too bad. Let's go with that one today. Last time I used the bigger one that said happy birthday, but I think we're going to just go with this one. Change it up slightly. So I'm going to also want to put dimensionals on the back here, so I'm roughly looking at where it fits, so I know roughly where to put my dimensionals. And well, I know it's going to be the other side of that. Okay, I think that's going to be fine. I'll take these off. And then I'm just going to put a bit of glue here, because this is going to go over the dimension of the focal image, so it doesn't need any dimension there. Is that straight? Doesn't look straight to me. That will do, I think. This is when I need my T-square ruler, and I don't have it here. Whoops. So we're going to have to cover that boo-boo I just made. I'm going to use this ruler, because I don't have anything else with me. I'll just try and use it. There we go, to get it as straight as I can. That will do. There we are. That doesn't look too bad. Right, enough faffing. So let's get on and put on some little finishing touches, some embellishments. And these are the transparent dots. I'm going to use these dark green ones, because these remind me of garden green. So let's have a few here. And then I'm also going to use some of these purple shimmer gems. There we go. I'm going to mix up my sizes and my colours and whatnot. But still keeping to those two colours, those colours that are in the image. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 little clusters of 3. So there you have the 2 cards. I hope you like them. Thank you for watching this card making tutorial featuring the Painted Lavender stamp set and bundle from Stampin' Up. If you've enjoyed the video, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're wanting more information about the card, the supply list, the measurements, etc., you'll find all the links below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.